Hi everyone, welcome to The Grace Life. So in this video today, I'm really excited because we have a collaboration called the 12 Days of Christmas Countdown by the Queens of Christmas Holiday Decor Club, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below along with their channel links, including myself. And I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and head on over there and watch the 12 Days of Christmas because I'm really excited so that you can get as many ideas as we approach the holidays very quickly. So one of the things I love to do if we jump right into this video is you can never get enough florals during the holiday season, and especially when they're decorated with pine and holly berries and when they're decorated with poinsettias. So here I'm going to be doing 2 floral arrangements, and I'm going to be doing this from my entryway. So these items right here I purchased from the Dollar Tree, including the florals. So let's jump right into it, guys. So the Dollar Tree brought in these planters, and they're absolutely beautiful. The buffalo check with the white and the gray, and they also say give thanks along the front side there, which I think can take you right through the holidays because you really can't see that little tiny pumpkin that's there, and I think I can cover that. But I did buy the poinsettias in the white, and then I also bought some eucalyptus with glitter in the silver. So normally when I make the floral arrangements, I don't like to be too chintzy with it, and I also don't like for you to be able to see down into the pot. So we are filling this in right now with some floral moss, and we are putting plenty of poinsettias in there so that it would look nice and full and absolutely beautiful. One of the things I didn't mention earlier on in the video, so I may as well mention it now, is that I am challenging myself not only to eat healthier and to try to lose at least a couple of pounds before the end of these 12 days, but I want to eat healthy, I want to take care of myself, and I want to watch what I'm eating. So that is what my challenge is going to be in these 12 days of Christmas. After I finished filling in the pot and I was happy with the florals, I decided to get a poinsettia and place it on the side of the pot where it says give thanks. And this completed it for me because I was kind of missing something, but now I'm so happy. Now that this one is complete, we're going to be repeating the same process with the second one. So that's what I'm doing here.